Dennis and Kirill arm wrestled a little bit as seen in this recent Iron Rating YouTube video, and the owner of the channel said that Kirill is already preparing for a Brian Shaw super match. I know the chances of it happening are very slim, but if somehow Eddie manages to beat Brian, then it is going to shake up everyone's plans. Devon won't know what to suggest to Brian anymore. Brian Shaw will have to do a lot of rethinking. Even Eddie Hall won't know what to do with his arm wrestling career moving forward. And the promoters, who are already dreaming about the next 5 Brian Shaw super matches, they won't know what to do either. But even if Brian dominates this Eddie Hall match, I would still advise him to stay away from Kirill Sarychev.
Oh, he's strong. Where's Strap? Oh, fucking strong. He's fucking strong, Dennis. He's a fucking...
I don't fully trust Levan's words when he said after practicing with Kirill that everyone except the top super heavyweights is already in trouble against Kirill Sarychev. About a year ago, he was at Arthur Makarov's level. They were pretty even. So I don't think he can improve that much in such a short amount of time, especially when he has been dabbling with arm wrestling for about 5 years now. But we have seen how much Levan loves the Russians. So these words coming from Levan for a Russian arm wrestler, they have to mean a lot. Brian should take some easier matches before he gets to Kirill's level. That's my opinion. His leverage advantages that he will have in this Eddie Hall match, and hopefully in the next few matches as well, they will be taken away if he faces the 6'6" Kirill Sarychev, who is only 4 centimeters shorter than Brian. I know that complaining about height in a super heavyweight match is almost as stupid as complaining about weight in a super heavyweight match, but I think for the beginners it can matter a lot. So we cannot say that Hermes lost to Devon because he was 3-4 inches shorter than Devon. But in this case, when two beginners are arm wrestling, I think it can be said without attracting too much criticism from the fans. Maybe take a Travis Bagent match. I think it will be easier than a Kirill Sarychev match. Maybe an Auden Larrett match, but that needs to happen as soon as possible, because if it happens late, then Brian will be pulling away because he has more to gain than Auden Larrett in the sport of arm wrestling. Maybe Larry Wheels. I know he has quit arm wrestling, but if Brian asks him to come back for a super match, I think he will be more than willing to do so. Maybe even a Ryan Bowen match. Kind of check the celebrity match status as well. Of course, none of them are as big as Eddie Hall except Larry Wheels, but I think they still make sense. What are your thoughts about this? Should Brian Shaw go for a Kirill Sarychev match as soon as his second super match, or should he wait for a little bit longer?